Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on how to create project groups and collaborations, also known as their lab notebooks. So the first part is making a group. You'll go ahead and click the People tab on your Canvas page. So if you click there, it'll give you a list of all the students enrolled in your class, and then you can click on this tab up here that says Project Groups. So if I click on that, it gives you the option to create groups. So I'll go ahead and hit Add Group right here. That creates a group. I'll add in a group name, so I'll call this group 1, and maybe I'll say Sushi Project or something along those lines. Now I've created the group, and I simply just drag and drop the students that I want to be members of that group. So you go ahead and create another group for each of your project groups. Once you've created all your project groups, then you can create a lab notebook for each of those groups through the Collaborations tab. So this is the Collaborations tab right here. I'll go ahead and click that. I'll collaborate through Google Docs. It's really the only thing it'll allow you to select, and I'll call this the Group 1 Lab Notebook. And then I'll go ahead and select the Groups button right here. And that should pull up all of your project groups that you've created. And then I'll add in Group 1 for the Group 1 Lab Notebook, and I'll hit Start Collaborating. And what that does is it creates a Google Doc or Lab Notebook. So here's the Group 1 Lab Notebook, and you should be able to see who that's shared with. So it should have information for all the different group members. You should make sure that it's shared with all the group members. If not, you can add them in manually here. But make sure you do that before the students leave class today. The last part is just pasting in the sort of template for the lab notebook for this week. So if you go to Modules, and you go to this week's prep notes, so this is the prep notes for week 2. You can find the lab notebook headers in the prep notes for each week. And then I'll go ahead and just copy and paste this in. So here's the lab notebook, copy, go to the Group 1 Lab Notebook, hit the paste button, and now it's all in there for that group to collaborate on. That's all.